Hey everyone, welcome to the introduction to our course on precision mapping with a drone. Here we're going to cover everything you need to know to be able to deliver mapping results that are accurate to within a few centimeters quickly and using tools that won't break the bank. In the following lessons, we'll take you through everything from mission setup all the way to delivery of polished results to your clients in a web portal. If you're a drone professional, a surveyor, part of a construction or GIS team, or just looking to elevate your geospatial game, this series is for you. I want to say up front that I am not a surveyor, and nor did I play one on TV, but I do work with surveyors when necessary. If you're doing anything that will be used for measurements or defining boundaries, then I would strongly recommend that you do the same. I should also mention that I am based in the USA, so many of the things I will reference, such as the FAA, Drone Zone, Lance, and so on, are going to be US centric. If you live outside the US, then there should be local equivalents for all of these, and you're going to have to find those out. What I'll be showing you is only one way to run your mapping jobs, which was selected based on the feedback you provided. But there are many ways to skin this cat. So during the course, I will mention others, and where appropriate, reference other resources you might want to consider. With that said, let's get into what you're going to learn in the following 5 lessons. First up is going to be pre-mission planning and mapping setup using DJI Pilot 2. We'll then move on to the on-site setup and flight execution, including connecting to a CORS network. Lesson 3 will cover processing the mapping data in WebODM. Lesson 4 will go into sharing results with clients via a cloud portal, and here we'll be introducing a product that probably many of you are not familiar with. Lesson 5 will go into troubleshooting and best practices. The tools we will be using are the minimum I would recommend if you're going to be doing this with any regularity, and they are a DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise with an RTK module. For capturing the maps, we'll be using the Pilot 2 app, which comes with the Mavic 3 Enterprise. I'll show 2 types of CORS networks, one free and local and one paid national provider. We will be processing the maps in WebODM, and we will be delivering the results in a web portal that I will introduce later. There are plenty of alternatives to each of those. Any drone with RTK capability should be fine. For capture software, you can also use DroneLink, Pix4D, Drone Deploy, or a host of others. WebODM is a great map processing tool and by far the cheapest available, but there are alternatives that are arguably better if you're willing to spend some money. And if you have questions about drones or software that you're interested in, feel free to leave a comment and let's get the conversation started. I'll be releasing several videos with this course introduction and then following that with other videos soon after. I'd like to say I'm doing that because I've done market research and that has the best results, but the reality is that I just wanted to get things out there as soon as possible and I haven't had time to finish all of them yet. But rest assured, I'll get them out as soon as possible. This is probably a good time to remind you to like and subscribe so that you don't miss them. So that's it for this video. Check out the next video in the series on pre-mission planning and mapping setup in DJI Pilot 2, and I hope you find them helpful.